Hello and welcome to this comparison of Siemens and Mitsubishi PLCs. In this video, we'll cover their brand overviews, programming software, performance specs, application areas, pricing and support. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the strengths and weaknesses of each brand, and that's enabling you to make an informed decision for your automation projects. So let's get started with the brand overview of each one. For Siemens, Siemens is a global leader in industrial automation, offering a wide range of PLC products under the Siematic series. They are known for high performance and scalability in large industrial applications. For Mitsubishi is another major player, focusing on flexibility and cost-effective solution for small to medium-sized automation projects. So what is the conclusion here? For those just starting out working on smaller projects, Mitsubishi is a solid choice, more affordable and easier to learn. If you are dealing with the larger, more complex systems, Siemens is ideal for advanced performance and scalability. And here let me notice that we have got great resources, including courses and tutorials for both brands. So just check the link in the descriptions below. For programming software and usability, Siemens' TIA portal offers an advanced programming environment with integrated simulation and diagnostics features. For Mitsubishi, their JX software is designed for ease of use with the ladder logic, function block diagrams, and structured text. In conclusion, Siemens TIA portal is ideal if you need an advanced features like simulation and diagnostics for large projects. Mitsubishi JX, however, is perfect for those looking for an easier, more straightforward software, especially for smaller projects or if you are just starting out. For performance and technical specs, Siemens has high-speed processing, more memory in higher-end models, suitable for complex industrial applications. Mitsubishi has a faster cycle time for specific applications and good response time for input-output operations. In terms of application area, Siemens is ideal for large-scale industrial projects, including automotive, energy, and pharmaceutical industries. For Mitsubishi, frequently used in manufacturing, robotics, and other smaller automotive sectors. As conclusion, Siemens PLCs excel in large-scale, high-performance industries like automotive and energy, while Mitsubishi PLCs are ideal for smaller, cost-effective automation projects in manufacturing and robotics. For the pricing and scalability, Siemens PLCs are typically more expensive but offers a greater scalability for large systems. Mitsubishi provides more budget-friendly options, making them a good choice for smaller installations. For support and global availability, Siemens has a strong global support network with extensive training and documentation, especially in Europe. Mitsubishi's support is strong in Asia, and the company has a growing global presence with accessible documentation. As a global conclusion, Siemens and Mitsubishi are both leaders in industrial automation, with Siemens excelling in large-scale, high-performance applications, while Mitsubishi provides cost-effective, flexible solutions for small to medium-sized systems. Your choice depends on your specific project needs. So that's all for this video. I hope that you like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget that we provide good resources including courses and tutorials in the descriptions below. Thank you for watching.